Students, today we are solve exercise 4.3 and 4.4. Exercise 4.3 question number 1 is draw the graph of given linear equations in two variables. So question number 1 part 1 is equation is x plus y is equal to 4. Now firstly we have to put the value of x is equal to 0, then we get y is equal to 4. Again put the value of x is equal to 1, then we get the value of y is equal to 3. Okay, so we have the point is 0 4 and 1 3. Same as we have to solve equation 1, equation number 2, put the value of x and get the value of y. Again put the value of x is equal to 1, then value of y is equal to minus 1. So we get 2 points 0 minus 2 1 and minus 1, and from first 0 4 1 3, same as equation 3 and equations 4. Okay, now put the given points on the graph. So here for first x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4, so this is 0 and y is equal to plus 4, so this is here, okay, so we get this line. Now for second x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 2, so x is equal to 0 again and y is equal to minus 2 here, so we get this steps line. Now for third x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, so same as here. Again x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3, this is here, so we get this types of line. Again for 4 x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3, so this is here, and again x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, so this is here, so we get this types of line. Now same as equation 5th and 6th, so here we are getting some lines on the graph that is show the given equations. Okay, now question number 2 is give the equation of two lines passing through 2 and 20, 2 and 14. How many such lines are there and why? Yes, so firstly we have to take, suppose the numbers x plus y is equal to k. Here x, put the value of 2 and 4, this is the value of x and this is the value of y. Now we get k is equal to 16. Again let 2x plus 3y is equal to k dash, which is passing through 2 and 14. So now the value of k dash we get 46. Okay, so 2x plus 3y is equal to 46 is the line that is passing through the point 2 and 14. There are infinity many lines, such lines, क्योंकि इस तरह से हम कई बहुत सारी infinity lines को find कर सकते हैं जो कि इससे जाती हैं. Okay, so this can be a straight line. Now question number 3, if a one equation is given, find the value of a when the value of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Now put the value of x, y here and here, so we get the value of a is equal to 5 by 3. Okay, this is very simple questions. Now question number 4, a taxi fare in a city, a fare of rupees 8 is here, fare is rupees 8, for the sequential distance is rupees 5 per kilometer. Okay, now we have to change the given equation, the given information in equations. So total fare is equal to क्या हो जाएगा, y is equal to 1 into 8 and x minus 1 multiply by 5, where x क्या है यहाँ पर अपना किलोमीटर है एंड y क्या है, रुपीज़ है. ओके, So the equations is, according to questions, fear of 1 kilometer, fear of 1 kilometer, फर्स्ट किलोमीटर का कितना फेयर है 8, सो 1 into 8. ओके, नाउ रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस इज x माइनस 1. जो भी शेष रिमेनिंग जो रह गई है उसमें से एक कम हो जाएगा और वो किस हिसाब से पे करना पड़ेगा, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 के हिसाब से. ओके, सो रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशंस इज y इक्वल टू 1 into 8 multiply plus x minus 1 into 5 and solve for this. Put the value of x is equal to 1, so we get easily y is equal to 13. Okay, when put x is equal to 1 here, so x is equal to 1. Now here easily we can say that when equation is y is equal to 5 and x minus 1 plus 8. This is our equations. y is equal to x multiplied by 8 plus x minus 1 multiplied by 5. Okay, now put the value of x is equal to 1, so we get y is equal to 3 plus ये same we get the value of 8. Okay, when the put of value of x is equal to 1, so we get y is equal to 8. Again we have to put x is equal to 2. Again we have to put x is equal to 2. Now put x is equal to 2, so we get the value of y is equal to 13. Okay, so 2 points we have, 1 8 and 2 13. Now we have to put these points on the graph. Okay, so given points is 1 8 and 2 13. Okay, now put the graph x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. This is our 2 points. Okay, so this is 1 and this is 8, so this is our required point. Now for second, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 13. 13 is here, so this is our second point. Join this line, so we get the solution of given situations. Okay, now question number 5. Here some equations are given and one graph are given. Okay, so firstly we have to check the given points. First point 1 1, second point 0 0 and third is 1 minus 1. ओके, सो जो तीनों पॉइंट्स से पास होकर वेरीफाई हो जाए, ओनली दीज लाइन्स पासिंग थ्रू द ग्राफ. ओके, डेट विल बी चेक. ओके, our first point is 1 1. Now put in this equations, when the x is equal to 1 we get y is equal to 1. This is true. 0 0 0 is equal to 0. This is true also. And 1 minus 1, when the put the value of x is equal to 1, so we get also y is equal to 1, not minus 1, so this is false. For second, x plus y is equal to 0. X plus y is equal to 0. Again first is false. Second, x plus y is equal to 0. Now put here 1 and again 1, that will not 0, so this is also wrong. Okay, now for third, x y is equal to 2y. Now y is equal to 2x. Put the value of this point here 1 and here 1, so we get 1 is equal to 2, which is not equal, so third is also wrong. Now fourth. So fourth is 2 plus 3y is equal to 7x. Now put the value of x and y 1 1. Okay, 1 1. So 2 plus 2 y is equal to 1 and 7 is equal to 1. Check the all equations. This is 4 is equal to 7. This is not equal. So here equation 4 is passing through the lines. Again we have to solve for second, figure B, same as figure A. Now some solutions are given here. Yes, second line is x plus y is equal to 0. This can be verified. Here x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Okay, so here x is equal to 1 and y is, put this point, y is equal to minus 1. So we get easily 1 plus minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is verified point. And same as here for figure B, we have the point equation says y is equal to x minus x plus 2. Now put the point minus 1 and 3. X की value minus 1 and y की value 3. Now put these equations. So we get x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 3 in this equation. So we get easily the equations. So in this figure B, equation third is verified. Now question number 6 and 7 same as question number 4. Here firstly we have to make equations. So let the work done is y, force is equal to 5 and distance traveled be x. Here according to question y is equal to 5x means work done is equal to 5 times of x. Okay, now for put the value of x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4 in these equations. So we get the value of y. Firstly, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, we get y is equal to 5 and same as so on. Now for first, if the unit 2 means the value of x is equal to when taking 2 and value of x is taking 0. Okay, for first represent x is equal to 2. This is x-axis. Suppose this is 2. Now meeting the graph at the B point, draw that is perpendicular to this, because when we put the value of 2, so we get y की value कितनी आई थी 10. So this 10 is here. We get draw a dotted line. Again we are taking x is equal to 0. Then we are also getting y is equal to 0. So this is 0. This is our first point and this is our second point. Join both points. So this is the situations, required situations of the graph. Okay. Question number 7, simple. According to questions, Yamni and Fatima, two students of class 9, they contribute rupees 100 towards. So given equation is x plus y is equal to 100. Now when the suppose Yamni paid 0 rupees, it means Fatima paid all 100. If x is equal to 10, then y is equal to 19, x is equal to 20, then y is equal to 80. So there is some situations and put the value of x and y. So we get some points and draw the graph taking firstly 0 and 100. So this is 0 and this is 100 first point. 10 and 10, this is 10 and again value of y is equal to 90, second point, 20 and 80, this is third point, and so on. So and meet this point. So this is the graphical solution of the given informations. Okay. Now question number 8 is, here are some questions and one equations are given, that is the formulas of convert the Fahrenheit temperatures to Celsius temperatures. Now some questions are here. First question, draw the graph in linear equations फॉर सेल्सियस एंड फेराइट. इसमें अपन को ये ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है सेल्सियस और फेराहाइट के बीच में. सो वी हैव टू टेक ऑन एक्स एक्सिस सेल्सियस एंड वाई एक्सिस फेराहाइट. नाउ द गिवन इक्वेशंस इज दिस. We are putting the value of C is equal to 0, so we get F is equal to 32. When C is equal to 5, then F is equal to 41, C is equal to 10, then M is equal to 15. Okay. Now draw the graph to given points. Okay. Now question number second is, if the temperature 30 degrees Celsius means C is equal to 30 degree, put these equations and get F. What is the value of F? Okay. So for 30 degree temperatures, now the value of F be 86. And now again next questions, if temperature is 95 means F की value 95 दी हुई है, find the value of C. Again we have to put F is equal to 95 in these equations and value of C we get 35 degree. Okay. Now question number 4 is, if temperature is 0 degree Celsius, एक 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे फाइंड करना है. इफ़ सी इजकल टू वैन पुट 0 एंड एफ इज पुट 0, दोनों की 0 0 पर पुट करके वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. सो वी गेट इजीली पुट द वैल्यू एंड फाइंड द वैल्यू when C is equal to 0 and F is equal to 0. Okay. Now fifth last one is, there is the temperature which is numerically same. If both are same, तो टेम्परेचर क्या सेम आता है ये चेक करना है. सो सपोज द वैल्यू ऑफ एफ इजकल टू एक्स एंड सी इजकल टू एक्स, पुट द गिवन फॉर्मूला. सो वी गेट इजीली टेम्परेचर इजकल टू 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके. दिस इज for Celsius and this is for Fahrenheit because both values are equal. Now exercise 4.4, question number 1 is, the given geometrically represent y is equal to 3 as one variable and two variables. So when y is equal to 3 in one variables form, so this is a number line and this is 3. So this is the solution of graphical solution on one variables. If two variables, so we can write the equation is 0 into x plus y is equal to 3. So we get easily value of x is equal to 0, so 0 is here, and y is equal to 3, so this is here, and draw the line. So this is our solution, graphically solution of two variables. Okay. Now question number 2, given the geometrical representation of these equations, so firstly we have to find the value of x. So this is 9 by 2 means 4.5 minus, so this is 4.5. So this is the equations and this is graphical solution of one variables. Now for two variables, so here this is 0 0 passing through and this is 9.9 by 2. So we have to draw this line on 9 by 2. So this is graphical solution of second. Your fourth chapter is finished. Thank you.